Will ignoring my car's jerking problem while slowing down lead to further damage?
Hello, car enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Today, we're tackling an issue many of you might have encountered: your car jerking when slowing down. We often underestimate such signs, attributing them to minor hiccups. But is it wise to ignore these symptoms, or could they lead to more significant damage? Let's dive in.
Why does my car jerk when slowing down?
Before answering whether ignoring the issue can cause more harm, it's crucial to understand why your car might be jerking in the first place. Your car's jerking could be a sign of several problems, including faulty spark plugs, dirty fuel injectors, issues with the car's airflow sensor, or even transmission problems. All these contribute to the smooth functioning of your vehicle, and a problem with any one of them can lead to jerking when you slow down.
What happens if I ignore the jerking?
Here's where we answer our main question: will ignoring my car's jerking problem lead to further damage? The short answer is yes. Neglecting the jerking issue means allowing the underlying problem to persist, which can exacerbate the condition over time. This can cause even more wear and tear on the involved parts, leading to more complex problems and ultimately, a heftier repair bill.
What should I do when my car jerks?
If your car is jerking while slowing down, it's crucial to address the issue as soon as possible. The first step is to consult with a professional mechanic. They can perform a diagnostic check to identify the root cause of the problem. Depending on the diagnosis, they might suggest cleaning the fuel injectors, replacing the spark plugs, or even servicing the transmission. Following their advice promptly can prevent minor issues from escalating into more significant problems. So there we have it. While it might be tempting to ignore your car's jerking problem, especially if it's infrequent or seemingly minor, doing so can lead to much larger problems down the road. Remember, preventative maintenance is always cheaper and more convenient than extensive repairs. We hope this video has been helpful in emphasizing the importance of addressing vehicle jerking issues promptly. As always, stay safe and happy driving.